Hello, welcome to part 4 of this series of tutorial. In this part, we're going to talk about fingerprint. It's one of the methods that this paper proposed to resolve non-stationary problem when we're trying to apply a deep neural network with independent Q learning for multi-agent. So for the recap, if you remember in independent Q learning, each agent that have their own observation, we fit it in like neural network, and that's how deep come from. And we're trying to like approximate the action values. So those like weights that we learn from our neural networks essentially is kind of our policy that we're trying to like map from observations to action values. And each agent that have their own observations and their own, therefore they learn their own weights or like policy to map to action values. So the idea behind fingerprint is kind of the idea of, comes from like a other algorithm called hyperkey learning, which essentially means that we can resolve non-stationary if we're conditioned over policy of all the other agents. But the problem when we are using a deep neural network, we have each agent that have essentially their own like neural networks there for their weights, and if you want conditional weights of all those like policies, our input is going to be extraordinarily large, and therefore it's almost impossible to learn. So the idea is super simple. So we learn about experience replay, and what it said here, instead of like condition over all weights of like agent or other agent, we can only condition the observation we had and weights of the agent we learned during the experience replay. And that's going to be sufficient enough that we can understand how the policy of agent changing during the training. So the idea essentially in like very clear way is like we just don't need the conditions over all the weights during all the process of training. We just need to condition over uh, observations that we have, and therefore the weights that we observe during the experience replay. And we also have two hyperparameters. We have iteration number and rate of exploration. That's the key idea behind this paper, and I hope you guys enjoy. Also, you can read in order to like understand better. I hope to see you soon in different videos. Bye.